कुत्तों का बंगला।
अभी ये तो दिल्ली में जा रहा है।
शू, चलो करो।
Of 3, 2, 1. Hey, if you're watching this video, then we definitely know three things about you.
Yes,
A, you are a business owner.
definitely. And you, in this situation, you are looking at how to grow your business.
And C, what is C?
You're interested in knowing how to get more customers.
I will work it. Alright, let's do this again.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, if you are watching this video, then we definitely know three things about you.
Absolutely.
1, you are a business owner.
2, you want to look at in this situation how to grow your business.
And 3, you are hungry to get more customers for your business.
Absolutely. And if you're all of these three things, then you are at the right place. We are inviting you to our workshop, which is happening on the 4th, 5th, 6th June. And in this workshop, we'll teach you how to get customers to your business. In fact, our promise is that you will walk out with 3 paying customers by the end of this workshop. It is going to be an action-packed workshop, not a training program,
Yes.
a workshop where you'll do the work and walk out with 3 paying customers. What kind of work, Sandeep? What are we going to teach them?
So these 3 days are going to be all about you and your business. We will look at how do we impact your business, your revenues as a long-term strategy and take it to the next level.
You know, most business owners, they're always busy in their business and they say मैं इतना busy हूँ कि मैं customers के पीछे नए customers के पीछे कब भागूं, कहाँ से लाऊं, क्या
Right.
करूं, right?
हाँ.
And that's a big question. So we are going to give you a strategy that's called as the 464 principle, okay? And that 464 principle is going to narrow your focus onto a few things that you can do quickly, easily and surely to bring more customers to your business. Okay, let me tell you, getting customers is a function of 2 things in your business. One, increasing the number of inquiries that are happening in your business, and 2, converting those inquiries into paying customers, right? So that's what we want to teach you. We're going to teach you 3 strategies to get more customers to inquire from you about your business, so that
Yes.
they get attracted to your business. And the second is how to convert those people into paying customers without being salesy, pushy,
Yeah.
going behind them, hammering them. Nothing, all of those things are not liked by your customers. So we are going to teach you some easy ways in which you can be friendly, can be solution providing, and can
Yeah.
actually close those inquiries into paying customers. Now that is not where the program ends, right, Sandeep?
Yeah, but having said that, how much money are we asking for all of these strategies?
We are only asking you to pay 99 rupees and walk out with 3 paying customers on 4th, 5th, 6th June. That's the date of the workshop. Sandeep, is this all that we're going to teach them?
No, we are not. There is a lot of bonuses that we're going to give you. But before we come to the bonuses, let's keep them hanging a little bit. We take your money very seriously, okay? And as somebody who's even shelling out 99 rupees, why should you pay 99 rupees? Who are we, right? So that's
Sure.
something which I'm sure you have a question about that. So let's talk a little bit about that as well.
So my name is Sanjay Vadva.
I'm Sandeep Mukhi.
And we are international business coaches. We have learned from masters from all across the world. Between Sandeep and me, we have trained more than 2.5 lakh people in 16 different countries.
Yeah.
Between Sandeep and me, we have coached 7,000 organizations and business owners to grow their business.
And between Sanjay and me, we've got roughly about 40 certifications.
40 certifications. We've gone to Australia, America, Malaysia, Singapore, learned from there so that we can get the best practices from across the world to business owners of India and help you grow your business. That's our mission.
And beyond all of these certifications and the number of people that we worked with, at heart, for the last 11 years, we are running actually a business.
Yes.
Cut. We'll just reshoot this again. And beyond the certifications and the number of people that we've coached, for the last 11 years, we too have been business owners. We've also gone through the lows and the highs that every business owner goes through. And
Absolutely.
we are actually teaching you real world applications that we have applied on our business.
Yeah, and we've used the same techniques to grow our business from zero to a few crores, and that's what we want each small business owner in India to get to become really a big business owner, not a small business owner. Okay, that's our promise. That's what we are looking at. So, in this workshop, we're going to teach you how to get more inquiries, how to convert those inquiries, and that's not all. We're going to teach you two more things. Okay, we're going to teach you how to get the same customer to buy higher value products and services from you. So that is going to increase your revenue as well. And finally, how to get the same customer to buy many number of times, and that is going to increase your profits. What we are saying is, if you can improve your performance in these 3-4 areas of your business just by 10%, you can increase your profit by 60%. Imagine if you made 60% more money this year, what would you do with that money? Go on a vacation, buy a new car, put that back in your business and grow the business
expansion,
exponentially.
yeah.
What you want to do, you can do with that extra money, and that is what we are inviting you into our workshop, 4th, 5th, 6th June, and this workshop. Our promise is you will walk out with 3 paying customers just in this workshop. Then you can use the learning for the rest of the year and keep growing your business. Now, that's not all. Like Sandeep said, we want to give you some bonuses. So, Sandeep, what's the first bonus?
The first bonus is a ebook which me and Sanjay have written.
Yeah, and this is not.
Me and Sanjay have written. The first bonus that we want to give you is an exclusive ebook that Sanjay and
That we have written.
we have written. Alright. The 3, 2, 1. The first bonus that we are offering you is an ebook that we've written, and it talks about 5 rituals that will increase your sales.
Yeah, this is a complete system. 5 small things that you can do on a daily basis. If you just did that on a daily basis, and it takes 30 minutes to an hour to do these 5 things. If you did this on a daily basis, within 90 days, your sales can grow up to 30%, and that's the ebook about. Okay, and we sell this ebook for 1,000 rupees. That's for our gift to you for joining. But that's not all, right, Sandeep?
We have bonus number 2 as well.
Yes. We have bonus number 2, and bonus number 2 is a 7-video course that talks about 7 big mistakes that small business owners make. And in this course, we are going to talk about the huge mistakes that small business owners make, because of which they never grow big, they stagnate, in fact they fall, some of them fail as well. Okay, so we're going to talk about the 7 mistakes that most entrepreneurs make. There's a 7-video course, right?
Yeah.
And then we have another one, right? And the other one is very, very interesting. These are 17 videos on small tips, tricks and methods to grow your sales. Okay, and we're going to teach you step by step in the 17 videos, 17 things that you can do to increase your sales conversion, conversations, make them more effective, and increase the percentage of people buying from you. So that's bonus number 3.
And bonus number 4
Oh my God.
is 99 rupees. We're giving you a lot of bonuses. The 4th bonus is that we are going to make you an exclusive member of our private Facebook group.
Yes.
This is a very private Facebook group. Only about 1,000 select hand-picked entrepreneurs who are a part of this, and this group believes in contributing. We've also got a lot of stuff that we've done previously, or live videos that are there on this Facebook group talking about sales and marketing. It relates to your business. It's invaluable stuff.
Absolutely, and these are, like I said, 1,000 entrepreneurs that we've handpicked, we have coached, and we've got them into this group. And this group is completely live and active, of only growth-minded entrepreneurs just like you, who can come, learn, ask for help from each other, and it is completely spam-free. So no selling, no spamming, nothing, just pure information that you can use in your business to grow your business. So all that is available. And only if you come to our workshop on the 4th, 5th and 6th June. The fees is 99 rupees, and the link to join, the button to join is below. Click the button and join the program. We'll see you in the program, right Sandeep?
Yeah, Friday, 4th June.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 1 weekend, 3 paying customers, 99 rupees. Sign up now.